Kajalla Megalaya Henne Kasantere Unailur, Kalarake Kasni Kerpang Ginong Hikai Kabasam Kundai, Kane Kajarake Kablalong Hasulong Public School, Lapun Kuburomru, Ekinong Hikai, Kabalatip Kum State and District Award Arajar Po. Umentri Katanat Puli Puthi Jong Kajalla, Ubat Lakaman Rumboy, Haba Ajin Kren Hagan Kasni Kumukongsan, Ula Alkublai Sni Kerpang Yabaro Kinong Hikai, but Ula Pentip Bakasor Kajalla, Kan Pentikana Bakajing Aj Hikai Mentausnem, Kinum Long Sob A. Hakajuk opor ubat lakman rumboy ulang baka National Education Policy jong sorgar pedeng kanong kajingnya kendo kapakraw ya kinong ikai Henry da kajing tres tom jong kinong ikai shen kin sa job ya kani kajingnya.
We have to prepare ourselves. The future teachers who aspire into this profession, please be prepared. You are very fortunate that many things happen in your lifetime. You have seen the good times and you have seen these bad times of this pandemic. The future teachers, as the future teachers, we are more prepared. So be prepared, and we from the department, we will try to do everything to streamline the education system, and we will do whatever necessary so that the education sector will be benefit. And as you know that even during this pandemic, the education department has initiated many initiatives, be for the teachers training, be for the student, be as we know that the syllabus has been planning, the academic calendar has been planned, so that our main purpose is that this year should not be wasted.